how to fix Google Play Store not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you some fixes that can help you to get the Play Store working again. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step number 1, that is to close and reopen the Play Store. So first, completely close the Google Play Store, and now here once you're done with that, you can simply reopen the app and check if the issue has been resolved. And with that, moving forward to the step number 2, that is to clear the Play Store cache. So here, if the problem continues, then here what you can do is you can just open the settings app, and now here once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. And now here in this section, you can simply search for the Play Store, and here once you have searched for it, you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just tap on clear data, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just select clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And here once you do that, this will remove temporary files that may be causing the problems in Play Store. And with that, moving forward to the step number 3, that is to clear Google Play Service cache. So here what you can do is you can just go back to the app list again from here, and with that you can simply search for Google Play Services and tap on it. And now here in this section, you can again tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now here with that, Google Play Services is essential for Google Play Store to function correctly. So clearing its cache can often fix the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step number 4, that is to uninstall Play Store updates. So here, if the Play Store is still not working, then what you can do is you can just go back to the Google Play Store settings page. And now here, once you're inside this section, then what you can do is you can just tap or select uninstall updates and confirm your action and allow the Play Store to revert to its factory version. And after that, you can just open the Play Store again and see if it works. And with that, moving forward to the step number 5, that is to restart your phone. Another simple but effective fix is restarting your device. So here just press and hold the power button, and after that you can just tap on reboot or restart to restart your phone. And once your phone turns back on, you can open the Play Store and test it again. And that's it. Those are some best fixes to fix your Play Store not working on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.